that who I think it is?
Go.
I think so.
What is he doing on this train?
How you know it's he?
Death is always a guy.
Always.
I think so.
But he's wearing a dress.
No.
Or it's more of a moo-moo.
It's a robe. Guys can wear a robe.
After a shower. Or if there's some kind of judge. Death is like a judge. As quickly as he used to or as often. Can keep people alive beyond more than normally.
Saves money and takes the train
I wonder where death takes people.
to the HE double hockey sticks place down below.
I think the train could be crashing or something. Heaven?
Wouldn't that be an angel then? We're all assuming there's a heaven. I would feel a lot more better faith in death if I knew for sure. Just the fact that death is sitting over there and giving me hope that there's something beyond life. Well, who would have thought seeing death would make you more hopeful? That's some serious optimism you got there, Mitch. I wonder if he has talked to us. I'd love to ask him about all of this. Life after death versus evil.
That's what I like.
True, I've never seen him before. You don't think that means
The freaking Mr. Optimism.
he jumped the train? Do you think he can be there for us?
Go.
All of us? I can see all of us dying.
Go.
Do we warn the conductor?
We can get off the next station.
Go.
Or maybe we can face death head on without fear.
What happened?
It looks like he couldn't breathe. Like the air around him is dead.
So much for talking to death.
Are you okay, Mitch?
What happened? Did you talk to death? Did he get your tongue?
Go.
It's not funny, Mel. Remind me not to do that again. What did he do you? Nothing directly. It's like the air around him is deadly.
Maybe death farted or something.